Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out these beautiful executive gentleman's knives from Ocaso. This is the Solstice. One has a harpoon blade and the other one has a straight. Both of them are absolutely gorgeous. Let's get a closer look. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase these awesome knives and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase these knives. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Ocaso for sending me these knives to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of the Solstice. Let's have a look at it vertically. Here it is opened up all the way. Going back to vertical. Let's get an overall measurement with the blade closed. Looks like it's just about 4¼ inches long. And then from the tip of the blade to the end of the handle, looks like it's just about 8 inches overall length. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thinner side, this is the thicker side. And it looks like it's actually a little bit thinner than that. Let's have a closer look with the ruler here. It looks like it's just about 3/8 thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the steel up front. And guys, that is a chunker of a blade on this very elegant knife. That looks like you can fit 2/4 on there almost easily. Check that out. Pretty much the same thickness for the harpoon blade too. Check it out. Let's get these on the scale so you get a better idea for how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. So the harpoon profile is coming in at 2.6 ounces. And I just have a feeling that the straight profile is going to be a little bit lighter. Yep, just about 2.5 ounces, but still incredibly consistent. And just in case you're wondering how heavy 2.5 or 2.6 ounces feels like, well, if you got a couple of AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 3 of those. Now, if you haven't seen these types of knives around, executive or gentleman's knives, the concept is it's supposed to feel and carry like a pen in your pocket. You're not even supposed to notice that they're there, especially if you're going to be wearing something with lighter material like a suit. And if you're going to be in a suit, it's always a great idea to have something that's a little bit more refined and sophisticated. So if you have to deploy the blade, it still has a touch of class and elegance to it. And that is exactly what this knife is. The Solstice is available in so many different varieties. I highly recommend that if you're interested in buying this knife, go check out the link in the description below. But it's all made of premium materials. It just depends on how high of a premium you want to go. But they basically have 3 blade profiles. That's the straight. Here is the harpoon, and they have a Wharncliffe. There are so many different handle materials that you can choose from. You can actually have these inscribed with different patterns as well. The Damascus steel versions are made in Maniago, Italy, which has thousands of years of knife making tradition. It's kind of like the Seki Japan for swords. No matter how far up the food chain you decide to go, the anatomy of the knives is all the same. It's a flipper lever opener. You're just going to put a little bit of tension on here, and it's going to fly right open. Right, it's pivoting on a cage stainless steel ball bearing system, so it is smooth and it is fast. Got a liner lock right here. You can see how that arm swings right underneath the tang of the blade to lock it into place. To close it, you just move that on the side, close it up. Easy one-handed operation. Let's have a look up front at this beautiful harpoon blade profile. Check it out. Beautiful swedge in the front. Pretty much a flat grind right up to the shoulder. All right, so we have no curvature here, really flat. Let's look at the jimping. Right on the thumb ramp area. And again, the thickness of the blade going down to this nice fine point. Beautiful satin finish. Right, all the way down to the sharpening choil. So it's very easy to sharpen from the tip of the blade right down here to the base. What a beautiful blade. Let's have a look at the straight blade profile. Nice and simple. Same satin finish, same jimping right up here. Same thickness. Total flat grind on there. No mystery there, right? Totally flat. Beautifully done. Steel type being used on all of these is S35VN, guys. It's a powdered steel. It's a premium steel. It's got everything you're going to need. It's easy to sharpen. Edge retention is great. Decent corrosion resistance. The maintenance of this blade is very easy to take care of. This is an awesome steel. Let's have a closer look at these beautiful titanium handles. Look at how these lines just flow down to the logo in the front here, right? There's that beautiful Ocaso logo. Beautiful milling on the edges. We have a matching titanium backspacer. And look at this fold over pocket clip that is nested into the actual handle itself on both sides. It's reversible. There's a look at the profile there. Deep carry, tip up carry only. Here is a quick look at what the knife is going to look like. Let's say if you tuck it down in your back pocket, super deep carry pretty much just disappears. You won't even notice it's there. Let's check out the sharpness of the S35VN. Yep. Really nice. Let's try the harpoon. Here is the harpoon blade profile. Look at that thing. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see how it cuts. Oh, yeah. That might cut better than the straight one. Beautiful. Let's try some cardboard. Easy going. And back over to the harpoon. Absolutely no problem. Once again, guys, this has been the Solstice from Ocaso. This is their main gentleman's executive knife. So if you're looking for a new EDC knife that's going to feel like a pen in your pocket, you're not even going to notice it's there. And when you open it up, it's not going to freak everybody out. Or if you just want to give a gift that just exudes refinement and quality, class and sophistication, this might be a great option for you. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to check out these knives, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.